Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to verify your account on Darwinex. After registration, you click on Request Account at the top, select your account type, and then click on Continue. Then, in the Personal Information section, you choose a title for your name. Enter your first name along with your last name. And if you have a middle name, you enter it here. Below, you enter your date of birth. Select your ticket. Enter your country of birth, plus your mobile phone number. And then you enter your complete full address, plus your current country of residence, and your relevant tax code. And below that, you enter your tax number, and then you enter the currency you work in, agree to the website rules, and finally click on Proceed. Then you confirm the website's terms by checking the box and click on Continue. In the financial section, you answer personal questions like your employment status, type of job, name, and so on, and then you enter your full address along with the postal code. If you are a politically exposed person, you answer that question here, and finally you click on Proceed. You fill in your financial status and income completely, and after entering the information, you click on Proceed. And then, if you are a politically exposed person, you answer that question here, and finally you click on Proceed. You completely fill in your financial status and income, and after entering the information, you click on Proceed. In the next section, you answer the questionnaire, and after entering the information, you click on Proceed. And if you have an account with other brokers, you answer that question here. And after entering the information, you click on Proceed. You confirm the website's terms by checking the box and then click on Next. And then, based on your answers, your desired account will be created, and if you are a resident, you continue, and if not, you click on I don't want to continue. Then you click on Continue at Darwinex. You continue, and if not, you click on I don't want to continue. You click on Continue at Darwinex. Then, in the identification document section, you click on Upload Document. Then you click on Start. You select your country. You select your document type. Then you can verify your account in 3 ways: using your mobile phone, using your system's camera, or uploading a photo through your system or mobile device. We choose to upload files and upload a photo of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading the photos, you click on Continue. Your documents will be reviewed and you will receive the results after 24 hours. Then you enter the second verification section where you need to upload documents like a bank statement or a utility bill to prove your residency. You click on Upload Document and then click on Start. You enter the document you need in this section by clicking on this area to upload the desired file. And finally, you click on Continue. Your document will be under review and you will receive the results after 24 hours. We will access our account. In the section above, as you can see, our account is under review. Friends, as you can see in the top left section, our account has been fully verified after 24 hours. Good luck.